The decision to cut operational costs could jeopardize your entire project. While outsourcing civil engineering design is often sold as a straightforward way to manage rising salaries and recruitment challenges, it frequently introduces hidden risks. These risks, like inconsistent quality control and a gradual loss of core in-house knowledge, don't appear on the initial cost-benefit analysis. We're going to explore why dependency on a single external partner can create more problems than it solves, and how to structure an agreement that protects your firm from these hidden dangers. Even the most seasoned internal teams face a critical vulnerability: the absence of specialized expertise when a project shifts into unfamiliar technical territory. This risk doesn't stem from a lack of diligence, but from the reality that no team can cover every niche discipline. Take, for example, an infrastructure firm that prided itself on its strong in-house design unit. They believed tight internal control guaranteed quality. However, when a complex land development project presented unexpected geotechnical issues, like soil movement or water seepage, their team lacked deep geotechnical expertise. They attempted to solve it with conventional solutions, but these weren't adequate for the site's unique conditions. This led to ineffective retaining wall and drainage designs, causing localized slope failures, construction delays, and significant cost overruns. Their belief in internal control proved misguided. They controlled personnel but lacked the crucial, specialized knowledge. This single geotechnical gap triggered a cascade of failures. Initial analysis was flawed, designs were misaligned with reality, and costly remediation became necessary. A company like AXA Engineers, with its civil 3D expertise and experience in large-scale projects, would typically bring in geotechnical specialists up front to avoid such scenarios. Ultimately, the firm was forced to bring in an external geotechnical consultant at a critical juncture, at a much higher premium than an early-stage review. The lesson here is that the real risk wasn't in outsourcing, but in failing to recognize the limits of internal expertise. When an engineering firm addresses a technical skills gap by engaging a top-tier outsourcing partner, the immediate benefits are clear: access to specialized expertise, accelerated timelines, and improved project quality. Yet this approach introduces its own set of operational risks. Consider a design firm that outsourced the production of its construction drawing sets to a reputable partner known for speed and precision. Initially, efficiency improved, and the internal team focused on higher-value tasks. However, minor revisions later required formal requests and structured workflows, causing delays. Concerns about data governance, intellectual property, and information security on external servers became critical. The outsourcing paradox became apparent. A technical bottleneck was solved, but a new dependency was created. Over time, the client firm's internal capacity to produce drawings diminished, creating a strategic vulnerability. If the outsourcing partner faced disruption, the client firm was exposed to significant operational risk. The initial technical risk had transformed into contractual and process risks. Addressing these risks demands a structured approach. AXA Engineers, for instance, uses a 5-step partnership model, starting with a small pilot project and emphasizing clear, ongoing communication. This helps assess vendor reliability, capability, and cultural fit before committing long-term. Robust contract clauses defining service levels, data ownership, IP rights, and exit provisions are essential to protect the firm. Successful outsourcing isn't solely measured by technical output. It depends on the firm's ability to manage evolving risks, maintain control over critical assets, and preserve operational flexibility. Rather than viewing outsourcing and in-house execution as mutually exclusive, approach each project as a strategic evaluation of how to combine internal strengths with targeted external expertise. True risk management in civil engineering comes from building a hybrid operational model that draws on the best available capabilities, regardless of their source. This allows you to leverage partners like AXA Engineers to supplement your team's knowledge precisely when needed. Do you have any outsourcing experiences to share? Feel free to leave a comment below and consider subscribing for more in-depth analyses tailored to civil engineering professionals.